That rite that we have just witnessed a while ago is very solemn. That will give us the authority to run the organization. If you recall, we had our election of officers last 2 weeks ago. And bato pa ni Carlos, atong hatagan, atong pasalamatan ang mga outgoing officers. Salamat sa inyong pagbulig, sod sa tulong at tuig. You have witnessed the success of our organization for the past 3 years. Karon ano sa ibagong set of officers, like 30% have been re-elected, usa na ko ana, but 70% bago ang atong mga opisyalis. I would like also to thank the trust that you have bestowed upon me for the next 3 years. You are aware, you may have been aware that there is a very, very big event that is coming up in Vancouver 3 years from now. I would like to officially announce to everyone that the Vancouver community of British Columbia has been chosen to host the 4th International Reunion of all Lilanhons around the world. So, kitang taga Vancouver and the Greater Vancouver area will host the Lilanhons around the world. It's tentatively scheduled in the month of July 2016. So this will be a very big event that we are looking to. I would like to request everyone to please cooperate, help in any way that you can arong magpalampuson ang atong 4th International Reunion. For the information of everyone, all the Lilanhons around the world are gathering together every 3 years. You may recall that in 2007, the first international reunion was held in Vancouver. It was the first international reunion conceptualized by the core group 6 years ago. After that, 3 years after, the second reunion was held in San Francisco, California. It was also a very successful event. After that, 3 years after, last July, the third international reunion was held in Houston, Texas. It was a very successful event, a lively event, and every one of us has witnessed the success, the cooperation, and the hospitality of the Lilanhons in Texas. And now, 3 years from now, the Lila Reunion will go back to Vancouver. Akong ipahinaot nga kitang tanan unta magtambayayong mag-cooperate alang sa kampusan nining reunion. Daghan kayong salamat sa pagbulig ninyo last 3 reunions. And again, one way or the other, atong tabangan ang atong organization sa pagduma naning reunion. And one of this is the financial fundraising activities that we are going to have. There are no specific mechanics yet. Ato panangbanuhan, and please cooperate. We are raising so much amount of money for this. Naka-witness mo tingala mo sa Houston, Texas, how many $1,000 they have spent for the reunion. And we know, dili ni gamay nga reunion. This will be participated in by more than 300 Lilanhons all over the world. So, dili basta-basta ang atong kalihukan nga atong atubangon. Again, thank you so much for your trust. O ato sa pasalamatan ang atong mga bagong opisyales kag sa karong adlaw mosugod sa ilang bagong responsibilidad. Again, I would like to thank everyone for coming, for the Vancouver and Tri-Cities for hosting this affair. Thank you very much. Kinsa tong nitabang, ubang utabang, daghan gihapon salamat. And of course, finally, akong ipanghinaot nga unta at ang mahal na birhen magabuli ka nato kanunay ug sa tanang dapit. Viva Virgen del Rosario. Thank you very much. Malipayong pista kanatong tanan.